Hi guys. I wanted to come to you with a little video today, this afternoon, while I'm just relaxing after church today, Sunday. And the reason why you see the stuff behind me is because I'm gonna put it away, but right now it's serving a purpose to help me with my back. I'm having back issues right now, and I can't stand up for long periods of time. So I am uh, using this to support my back right now since this chair length sits so far back, so I can do this video among other things. But I wanted to come to you and say, hi guys, how you doing? I hope everyone had a wonderful, blessed Sunday, and hope you're enjoying your Sunday afternoon and all that. I have not changed my nails yet, but this week I am going to. I have no idea what I'm going to do. Uh, I have kind of an idea, but I'm not sure if that's what I want to do. Um, I may change my mind. Anyway, uh, I just want to come in and say that I'm planning on doing a video. No one has really asked me to do this video, but it came as an idea to me to do a video about all the many nail drills that I have. And basically the reason why it's coming, I'm going to do this video is because I have two more nail drills on order. I also have a handpiece on order. So once those two come in, I plan to do a video showing pretty much as many of the nail drills that I have as I can. Um, I say this every video, but if you go some videos back, I did a video about a drill that I have. It's a cordless rechargeable drill. It's called the My Manicurist. And I can't find that one. I know it's in the house. It's back there in my husband's room where he sits at and watches television and stuff when he's up. I had sort of his man cave or whatever. But he was using it on his feet. And he can't find it. So I may not be able to do that one. But you'll know I still, it's here somewhere. It hasn't gone anywhere. It's still here in the house. Um, but I do plan to do a video about all the mini nail drills. I know I have close to 20 nail drills. And like I said, I just ordered two more. I ordered one because I liked the way it looked. I wanted this kind for a long time, but it only came in one color, black. But now I saw it in different colors and I ordered it in a different color other than black. And then I broke down and did something that I didn't think I would do. But I bought a pretty expensive nail drill. And, well, the reason why I did that was because it was on sale. I got $79 off of the regular price of it. And when I went online, I ordered it from the company. But when I went online, I always go and check Amazon and eBay also. So when I went online to check those places, I could not find any place that had it at as cheap a price as I got it with the discount. So I just went ahead and shot it in there and ordered it. Mm. So I'm pretty excited about getting that one. I got to find out what all the hoopla is about. I am still very happy. I'm not going to show any drills in this video about, my nail drill that I have, my Marathon micromotor. The two that I have, I'll be showing those in the video. Also, some of the older drills that I have. Also with the new ones that I'm getting in. And I may try to do a demonstration, but it's going to take me a little while because most of the old drills that I have, they are packed away in a closet back in my husband's little room where he sits at. And so I've got to see if I can't get in the closet and get to some of them and see if I can't um, get them together for my video. But anyway, that's all I wanted to really say. I do have a few things that I've gotten in, but I don't feel like doing a haul tonight. It's just that my back's kind of bothering me. I may have to take another pain pill. But as long as I sit up, that's why I've got this stuff behind me. As long as I sit up, my back is sitting up straight like this, it's fine. It's just when I stand up for long periods of time. Right now, I can't stand up too long. It's like maybe 5, 10 minutes, and then I got to sit down. So it's gotten a little bit worse. But anyway, it will take me a little while. I don't know how long it'll take these drills to get here. Plus, I got a lot of other stuff coming. Can y'all believe I've got another lamp coming. And let me explain myself. I love to collect things. Like I like to try not just anything. There has to be something different about it that I like in order for me to want it. And now sometimes when I see these wonderful ladies do their videos and they showing hauls of stuff that they've gotten in, sometimes that gives me an incentive to want to order something. But not always. It just has to be something that catches me, in order for me to want to order it. So I did see another nail lamp that I really wanted, and I just went ahead and ordered it. I didn't need it, but actually I've got two coming in. Oh my God, I got two more nail lamps coming in, two more nail drills coming in, and so um, I've got wow. I had to order another stand for my acrylic brushes. I ordered a newer stand for my acrylic brushes. I'm going to use the old one that I have over there. I'm going to use that one for my overflow because I've got so many brushes and I still got two more coming in. Y'all think I'm crazy. Anyway, I just like collecting stuff, and it's stuff that catches my eye. You know, I just won't order any nail brush. Like, I order nail brushes because um like the alpha brushes. I have one alpha brush, and I just ordered that because I didn't have any wooden brushes. Well, I've got a big red 18 size 18 brush over there. I like that brush a lot. I started to order another one, but I'm just so tired of ordering brushes. So, like I said, I have some stuff that I could do a haul with right now, but I just don't feel like it. But I did want you to know that I do plan to do that nail drill video if I can get all my nail drills together. I did the handpiece thing. I'll probably just do it all in one shot. The nail drill handpiece update. Because with these two drills that's coming in, they have hand pieces with them. So, um, like I said, it's going to take me a little bit because I got to get back in that closet and pull down my other older drills so that you can see them. But hopefully it won't be too long, maybe within the next couple of weeks, hopefully. I know it will not be this week coming. Um, First of all, I've got to wait till the two new drills come in. Then after that, I've got to get the other ones down. But while I'm waiting, I may just take those down So, all right, guys. I don't want to prolong this video. My videos are too long as they are. Even with editing, my videos are long. So, oh well. But I just wanted to come in and share that with you. So, uh, I'm probably gonna. I would love to wait and do my nails when I get my new expensive drill, but I don't want to wait that long. I need to have these nails off. I'm tired of them. They are, I really am. The thrill is gone, people. The thrill is gone for these nails. They were beautiful. They still are really nice, but I'm done. I'm probably gonna do something plain and simple this time. So you'll see me in my next video. And until then, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. All right, guys. Bye bye.